Hi everybody, Stephen Aitchison here from CYT-Crypto. Just thought I'd do a quick video for TA for FibSwap. FibSwap, as you know, the testing is coming out today and tomorrow, and the launch is actually on Friday. So this could blow up big time. So we're going to look at the traffic light charts again. We've got a strong support here, around about the 9/10 of a cent. I don't think it's going to hit that again. We've got resistance here at 1.2 cents. And we've got the all-time high around about the 1.4 cents. Now, testing happening today. If that goes well, and I'm expecting it to go well, this could really blow up big time. This could be your last chance to get into FibSwap at these prices at 1 cent or 1.1 cent just now. However, looking at the TA, we've got the formation of a cup and handle here. If we look at this, you can see it hit the resistance of 1.2 cents, then it's coming down for the handle, and what happens after that, we kind of shoot back up. So that's formation of a cup and handle there. Well, you can actually see two kind of cup and handles, or possible cup and handles here. If we take this one off, so we've got that one there, and we've got another one forming here as well. Cup, might get a wee pull back, then a shoot back up. So we've got formation of a double cup and handle there, or possible double cup and handle there. So this one I'm feeling is going to be the one that's going to kind of shoot up from here. So we'll see what happens from there. But this is really, it could really explode, and I can see this going up kind of big time. I've spoken about this before, where it could go, and we'll look at that again just to see where it could go. We'll look at the Fib Extension tool. So when we're using the Fib Extension tool, we're going from the start of the big rise. So we'll use the Fib Extension, we'll click on that and go trend based Fib Extension, start of the rise, all the way up to the peak, come back down to, and see where it could go from there. Now Fibonacci, the golden ratio number, 61.8, is bang on the all-time high, obviously. So come down here, and we've got targets here of 1.5 cents, then go up to 1.8, and we can see I've already put targets in there as well. Going back to these levels. The second target, 2.65. We've got target. We've got target here, 5 cents. And beyond. I think if this goes well, this could go beyond this fifth target of 5 cents. That's a 400% increase from here. Now I know that seems that, yeah, you're just taking a wee bit too far, Steve, but I'm just going to see 335%, and I think it could go much higher than that. So I think we could still get 400% over the next, before the end of August. We could see a 400% increase, and then kind of shoots to the moon after that and passes all-time high. I'm expecting all-time high for the end of this week, which is 1.4 cents, and that would be a move of about 20%. So I don't think that's far to go for that, and I think that's going to happen relatively soon as well. So that's just a quick TA, not normal TA for FibSwap, because the testing is coming out today and tomorrow, and the launch is coming out on Friday evening. So it's going to be a big few days for FibSwap. Okay, until next time, namaste, take care, bye now.